Let's start from a place people rarely talk about: replacement, not upgrade. You're not looking for something to sit beside your current setup, you're looking for something that takes over. The NIMO 17.3 is built for the moment you decide one machine should handle everything without excuses. Before you get comfortable, check the current price and availability. Laptops that genuinely replace desktops don't stay overlooked for long. This is for the person who's tired of juggling devices. A desktop for power. A laptop for mobility. Compromises everywhere. You want one machine that doesn't force trade-offs, a system that feels serious whether it's on your desk, on the couch, or plugged into an external display pushing real workloads. The shift hits when you realize you're not adjusting how you work or play anymore. You open demanding software and it doesn't feel like a stretch. You launch games and they don't need settling time. Multitasking doesn't feel like stacking plates, it feels natural. The machine behaves like it expects to be pushed. Gaming feels confident, not aggressive. Motion stays clean. Performance doesn't spike and fall, it holds. Long sessions don't unravel halfway through. You're not chasing settings or closing background apps, you're just immersed. Even VR and AI-assisted workflows feel grounded instead of fragile. But the bigger change shows up in everyday use. You stop thinking of this as a laptop. It feels more like a portable command center. Plug it in, unplug it, move rooms, nothing about your expectations changes. That consistency builds trust fast. Pause here and check stock again. Systems that truly blur the line between laptop and desktop tend to move once people realize what they can replace. You might hesitate because it feels like a big commitment. That hesitation fades when you realize you're simplifying your setup, not complicating it. Fewer devices. Fewer compromises. More capability in one place. Here's the part most people don't anticipate: pride of ownership. Not flashy pride, quiet confidence. The feeling that you chose something built to last, built to handle growth, built for someone who knows what they need. Every time you consider weaker machines afterward, they feel like temporary solutions. Performance feels steady and authoritative, gaming feels immersive and controlled, multitasking feels unrestricted, creative work feels dependable, sessions feel long and uninterrupted. It's not ultra-thin, and it doesn't pretend to be silent under full load. That's the trade. Eventually, comparison stops making sense. You realize you weren't shopping for specs, you were shopping for a machine you wouldn't outgrow. Check the price, trust the instinct that wants fewer compromises, and don't let this turn into one of those decisions you delay while juggling setups that no longer make sense.